In this particular example we're about to solve, which has to do with pressure and volume. So we're meant to find the final volume of this particular, gas related problem. This particular gas related problem, before you start solving it, you have to ascertain which law it is referring to. So the law we have, the gas laws we have are, we have Robert Boyle's law, we have Charles' law, we have Graham's law, we have a lot of laws, but the basic ones we are used to are Boyle's law, Charles' law, and then general gas equation. So when we are dealing with all these gaseous problems, one that has constant temperature, which has to do with Boyle's law, when the volume of a gas and the pressure of that same gas are related by virtue of their inverse proportionality. As the volume is increasing, the pressure is reducing. That's Boyle's law, because the law states that the volume of a given gas is inversely proportional to the particular pressure. The volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. So that is Boyle's law. And that of Charles' law states that when we have a gas, as a matter of fact, the volume is proportional to the what? Directly proportional to the temperature. So as the volume is increasing, the temperature is also increasing. Whereas the general gas equation has to do with connection of the two laws. So this particular problem we're about to solve has to do with Boyle's law, which is P₁V₁ equal to P₂V₂. So in this situation now, we are looking for our second volume, which is this one. So we list out the parameters given to us. The first parameter given to us here is volume, first volume. So V1 is 300 cm cubed. And then our V2 is not known. Our P1 given here is 800 millimeter mercury. And our P2 is given as 650 millimeter mercury, and we're asked to find the second volume. So for us to find the second volume, we have to make V2 the subject of formula, and then our V2 from this particular formula will be P₁V₁ all over what? P2. Are you with me? So when you move it that way, you'll be having that our P1 here is 800 and our V1 is 300 divided by our P2, which is 650. So when you multiply and divide everything, what do you have? Press your calculator and tell me what you have. 800 times 300 divided by 650.
369.23.
3 what?
369.23.
369.23 cm cube. So this is the value of our second volume for this particular problem. Thank you very much.